How to interpret net position data of major market participants, COT Report. The Commitments of Traders, COT Report, published weekly by the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, offers valuable insights into the positioning of major players in the futures markets. Traders use this data to analyze market sentiment and anticipate potential price movements in Forex, commodities, and indices. 1. What is the COT report? The COT report breaks down how different types of traders are positioned. Commercial traders, hedgers, institutions using futures to hedge real-world business risks. Non-commercial traders, speculators, hedge funds, and large traders seeking profit. Non-reportable positions, small traders not required to report large positions. 2. Understanding net positions. A net position is the difference between total, long and short contracts held by a group. Net long equals bullish outlook. Net short equals bearish outlook. Non-commercial traders are closely watched as they often drive market trends. A growing net long position among them may indicate bullish sentiment, while an increasing net short position suggests bearish bias. 3. How to access the COT report. The COT report is released every Friday at 3:30 p.m. ET, 10:30 p.m. Kenyan time, and reflects positions from the previous Tuesday. Access it here. Link in bio. Link https://www.cftc.gov/market-reports/commitment-of-traders/index.htmm. Steps scroll to traders in financial futures, Chicago Mercantile Exchange for Forex data. Click on long format to view detailed breakdowns. Find your pair, e.g. EUR/FX for EUR/USD, and analyze net, long versus short positions. Visual alternatives. www.tradingster.com, www.barchart.com. 4. Trading with the COT report trend. Confirmation, match COT trends with your technical analysis. Reversal warnings. Extreme net positions may hint at exhaustion and possible reversals. Sentiment gauge. Use it as a long-term sentiment indicator. By understanding and tracking the net positions of key market participants using the COT report, traders can gain a strategic edge, especially when combined with technical and fundamental analysis.